So today I wanted to talk about 3 top selling Japanese sunscreens that you should check out on YesStyle. The first one is the SHISEIDO Anessa Perfect UV Sunscreen Skincare Gel. Anessa sunscreens are so popular in Korea and of course globally. This one is waterproof and sweat resistant. It has a powerful UV protection for both your face and body. It contains water-soluble collagen to prevent from dehydration. The texture is really nice. It leaves a smooth, nice, comfy finish that works great under makeup. The next one is from ROHTO. It has a very light gel type of texture that literally feels like a serum or an ampoule. It has a very nice mattifying finish that does feel a little bit tacky at first, but it doesn't feel sticky nor oily. My skin just feels so calmed and hydrated after I put this on, and I love that it has a little bit of a powdery scent to it. And it is free of artificial fragrances and colorants, and it felt very gentle even for my sensitive acne-prone skin. The next one is the ISEHAN Kiss Me Sunkiller Perfect Water Essence. This one is SPF 50+, PA++++, and also this one has a super light, fresh, lotiony texture with a hint of citrusy scent that I absolutely adored. I loved really how it smelled. It felt so refreshing each time I put it on, especially in the hot, humid weather. And the finish did feel a little bit tacky, but it definitely is on the matte side. It's formulated with 86% of really moisturizing ingredients, like 3 types of hyaluronic acids. It's packed with antioxidants, and it's also alcohol-free. For these top 3 selling Japanese sunscreens on YesStyle, make sure to check out my code. And if you want more recommendations with Japanese skincare products, let me know in the comments below.